Hello there guys, it's Jake here at Jordan Bikes and welcome to the video on the Suzuki GSX-8R. So here it is, 2024 on a 24 plate, 9,959 miles, and it's just an absolute beautiful bike. Finished in Suzuki's matte metallic silver sword, gorgeous colour scheme. So you get that metallic matte silver, the dark silver, and them lovely coloured wheels. Covered in Evotech bits, this one as well. So you got rad guard, adjustable billet levers, frame protection, bigger traction, of course. It's that full arrow exhaust system. Sounds absolutely cracking. Matching remap to go with that as well, so it's all tuned in properly. Tail tidy as well. GB Racing engine covers. Along with all that as well, you've got that gorgeous colour TFT display. Adjustable traction, adjustable power modes. And obviously, it is the 8R, so it can be dialed down to be ridden on an A2 licence. Cracking bike though. If you are interested, get yourself down, give us a call and get it bought. Thank you very much for watching.
My name is Nick and thank you so much for watching the video this far in. The bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb. We are really fussy and it will come with a 3-month warranty. You can upgrade that to a 1-year or a 2-year warranty if you wish. And we offer finance and PCP subject to status. If you do want a more detailed walk around video looking at all the nooks and crannies, then give us a call and we can do that for you as well. Okay, thank you for watching. Give us a ring and buy it.